In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a product packaging mockup template in Adobe Photoshop. This essential skill is perfect for showcasing your designs on realistic looking product labels or packaging, providing a professional touch to any project. Let's dive into the process and I'll guide you through it, ensuring you feel confident every step of the way. Firstly, make sure you have Adobe Photoshop open and ready to go. Once in Photoshop, start by adding your mockup image. This will serve as the base or background for your design. It's crucial that the image you choose aligns with the product you'll be showcasing, so take a moment to ensure everything looks right. Next, we'll be using the rectangular marquee tool. Carefully click and drag to create a rectangle that matches the size of your product, in this case, a can. This step requires some precision, so take your time to get it just right. This rectangle will help define the area where your design will appear. Once you have your rectangle, convert it into a smart object. The reason we convert to a smart object is to retain the quality and flexibility of your design, allowing for non-destructive edits. Just right-click on the layer you just created and select Convert to Smart Object. Now, you'll need to adjust the smart object to lean against your can. Reduce the opacity of your rectangle layer temporarily, making it easier to see the can beneath it. This allows for a more accurate alignment as you begin to transform it. By adjusting the transformation, you can make sure your rectangle is positioned and angled correctly to match the can. The next step involves warping the transformation to fit the curvature of the can. Select Warp from the transformation options and gently adjust the points to wrap around the product. This gives your design a realistic appearance, as if it's truly hugging the surface of the can. After creating the warp, group your layers. This helps keep your workspace organized and makes it easier to manage different elements of your design. Simply select the layers you've been working on, right-click, and choose Group Layers. To blend everything cohesively, select the can layer within your groups and make a selection. This precisely aligns your mask with the product. Then, apply a layer mask by clicking the mask button in the Layers panel. Now, double-click your smart object to open it and paste your design within this layer. Position your artwork as desired. Once satisfied, save your changes using Ctrl+S. This automatically updates your main file, embedding your design onto the can. Finally, return to your can layer and adjust the blend mode to seamlessly integrate your design, making it appear naturally part of the product exterior. And there you have it. You've successfully created a product packaging mockup template in Photoshop. This technique not only enhances the presentation of your projects, but also elevates the overall professionalism of your designs. Thank you for watching and happy designing.